All right, let's dive into the world of mindful eating and see how it can revolutionize your relationship with food and well-being. Have you ever thought about how the way you eat could impact your overall health and happiness? Well, mindful eating is here to show you just that. Many of us struggle with mindless eating habits, whether it's eating out of boredom, stress, or simply not paying attention to our body's signals. This can lead to overeating, emotional eating, and a disconnect from our hunger and fullness cues. But fear not, there are ways to combat these habits. By practicing mindful eating, you can transform your meals into a nourishing and satisfying experience. It involves eating slowly, savoring each bite, and tuning into your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Now picture this. By being fully present and mindful during your meals, you can improve your digestion, manage your weight more effectively, and truly enjoy the flavors of your food. In a world where distractions are constant, mindful eating offers a way to reconnect with our bodies and appreciate the nourishment we receive from our meals. In conclusion, the benefits of mindful eating are vast. I encourage you to give it a try for a week and see how it can positively impact your well-being. I'd love to hear about your experiences with mindful eating in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my video on mindful cooking for more inspiration. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body and soul. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier and happier relationship with food together.